Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 Cadillac CT5? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box protects and distributes power to key underhood systems such as the engine control module, lighting, and cooling components. It ensures electrical safety and operation for high-demand systems in the vehicle. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box manages power distribution for interior features like the infotainment system, climate controls, and dashboard electronics. It safeguards essential cabin functions by preventing electrical overloads. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box supplies and protects circuits related to rear vehicle functions, such as power seats, rear defogger, audio systems, and charging ports. It helps ensure reliable operation of rear cabin and cargo area electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.